This video will discuss the presentation of data for statistics. So we look at several different types of graphs, which we will discuss here in just a minute. Let's go over the characteristics of valid graphs first. They must have a source that is typically a trusted source. They must be labeled / titled, so their axes or such things must be labeled, and then they must have a title. They must have some kind of discerning feature for each category, whether it be colorful or lines or stars or something along those lines, and they must be easy to read. Different types of graphs. So we have a bar graph. A bar graph is a graphical display of data using bars of different height. So in this one, it's actually a sideways bar graph. So the bars depict sales in the millions for Panera. So we look at this in quarters. So we have quarter 1, they did over $4 million in sales. And quarter 4, they did about 4.5 million. And then you can see by the graph that quarter 3 and quarter 2 definitely did a lot less than quarter 4 or quarter 1. Pie chart helps us display things as part of a whole. So it's great at looking at things in portion to the whole portion. So if we look at this one here, where it's the equipment portion of the graph for the cost of this company, we can see it's a small portion of their total cost. It's also used to show breakdowns of budget. Line graphs show connections between information. So it shows typically between age ranges or months or years, what fluctuates, what changes. I would like for you all to find a valid version of either a pie chart, a bar graph, or a line graph and bring them to class the day this video is due.